Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to enable CIS feature for contractor. Okay, so first of all you have to go into the accounting option, then click on advanced, then click on financial settings. So here you will get option of construction industry scheme. Just check this box, I am a registered contractor. Okay, now you have to enter the details of like UTR number, then accounts office reference and employers pay reference. Okay, so I'm entering random detail here. Fine. So this one is main option. If you are a registered contractor, you have to enable this feature from this setting. Okay, then just click on save button. Okay, so I got an error. Okay, so account office reference is not in a proper format, so I just change the format. Just click on save again. So the feature has been enabled successfully here, but still I am not able to book any kind of purchase related to CIS. Let me show you why. So I am just going into the bill to pay option. Okay, so I have already created a supplier. Fine, I just click on new bill. I'm just selecting the supplier ABC here. I'm just entering date. No, okay, now in description I am just entering material. The quantity is 1 and unit price is 400. In accounts, I'll select the nominal CIS material purchase. Okay, in tax rate, I am just selecting reverse charge expense. Now, same way I have to enter the detail of labor here, like labor, quantity 1, unit price 400, and account is CIS labor expense. And tax rate would be same, like reverse charge expense. Okay, so in this kind of scenario, if I'm going to save this bill, then I get an error in this way. And here you can see you have to, if you want to approve the CIS bill, the contact should be CIS enable. Okay, so whenever you create a supplier, you have to enable the CIS feature for that particular supplier also. Okay, so there are two ways. First of all, you have to enable the feature from the accounting advanced settings, and whenever you create a supplier, you have to also enable the CIS feature for that particular suppliers also. So just create a new supplier, contact name is ABC. Now go into the CIS subcontractor tab, just enable CIS deduction. Okay, now you have to enter the CIS rate, organization type, then UTR, okay, company registration number, subcontractor verification number, etc. Fine. Now just click on save and close. Okay, so our supplier with CIS feature created. Okay, now again I go to the bill. Okay, now let's see whether it's work or not. Just click on new bill. So I select the new supplier here. I'm just entering the detail in same way, like date, due date, description, then quantity, unit price 400, account would be same, like CIS material purchase, tax rate is reverse charge expense, same way. I have to enter the details of labor also in same way, like quantity 1, unit price 400, account would be CIS labor expense, and tax is reverse charge. So you can see below, like it will auto pop up like CIS deduction 20% on net labor value. Okay, so you can see here. So if I click on approve, our bill would be saved successfully. Fine. So if you are a contractor, then you have to enable the CIS in this way, like from accounting advanced, and whenever you create a new supplier, you need to also enable that feature for that particular supplier also. Fine. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.